Hey, what's up you guys, BIGZ in this one, and this is the very last part of our Burnaby Village vlog. So yeah, enjoy.
Alright guys, so we have just exited Dickinson's Bakery, I think it was. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Anyways, it seems as if they revamped the bakery to make it into an actual working bakery. But I think it's from the 1900s. And we ordered 2 hot chocolates. We ordered it. It took them like 2 seconds to give it to us. So I'm pretty sure it's instant. But instant hot chocolate can be good. So I'm gonna see if this is good instant hot chocolate or not. Okay, it's actually pretty good. You try. It's a little sweet though, so not sure if you'll like it, but
Okay.
yeah. And it's hot too, so.
Yeah, let's go. Here goes nothing, guys. Oh, that was good.
How was that, Jerry? Here. Alright guys, so initially we were outside the bakery, but now we've managed to make it inside. So and I think hopefully you guys can see the Christmas tree is right there beside me. Sorry, that was just really bad camera work there. But yes, the bakery is called Dixon's Tea and Coffee. And yeah, it's nice. It has like some ceiling fans, some, you know, old school charm. We're gonna chill here for maybe 10 minutes or so because my mom and my brother are cold. They don't have it in me like I do. And then we'll head outside. And then we'll head outside and check out the rest of the village.
Alright, there we go. That's where the nail will go. Hold the hook into the wall. So there's our loop. Now we're going to hold it tightly in the vise. And with the twisting wrench, I will twist it right around. So it's so hot, so soft that instead of breaking, it'll just twist right around and give you a nice spiral pattern. Looks a little bit like a piece of liquid. So there's our loop and there's our twist. The nail's going to go through there, nail it to the wall, and the hook's going to come out like that. So I just need to straighten it out a little bit. Now we will heat up the other end and we'll make the hooky part. That's the technical term, the hooky part. The crook of the hook.
Alright, so we are at the end of our time at the museum. Just checked out a cool blacksmith workshop and I'm standing in front of Burnaby Post. You can see all the machinery that they used in the olden days. I don't know if I should actually call it that. I'll give you guys a better look. So that is inside Burnaby Post. I don't know what half of this machinery is, to tell the truth. Down the corner here, we are in front of a phonograph shop. So this is pretty cool. A music shop, yeah. Oh, cool. They have a piano in there. And yeah, those old record players, I guess. Wait, so why do they call it a phonograph?
I think because
The phonographs? That's what.
Isn't it a phonograph?
That's a phonograph?
Pretty sure.
We are very
Double check.
uneducated, as you can tell. The building over here, I went to the door over there. It said staff only though, so I don't know. It seems to be decorated inside though.
We can go up this way. Hey. Hey.
Why are you shouting at me? Oh, it's the Royal Bank of Canada. Never mind.
RBC? McKibben.
Yeah. So they have a Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's cute. Okay.
Right next door to RBC, we have Father Christmas. What is this, a show?
Santa Claus. Oh yeah.
What is this? Weekends, December 4th to 5th and 11 to 23rd. Yeah, they have the dates here, but I guess they had a show what is this? Headquarters for Burnaby property. And as you can see in the reflection over there, we have another beautiful light display. Rather than blue, it is in gold this time. Along with some nice reindeer. Yeah, so that's, I guess, the official title is the real estate building. I must say though, I think I do prefer this place in the summer more. And it is nice to come when we're actually allowed to go inside the buildings. There's also nice tour guides showing you around and teaching you about each of the buildings. But the winter decorations do make up for it. What do you think? He hasn't been here in the summer, so.
Yeah, I think it's my first time being here. It's beautiful. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, like, I don't remember the last time I was here, so that's why I'm not sure. But yeah, it's unbelievable. The lights and everything, perfect.
Alright, so this here is a steam engine.
My
I
goodness.
guess they used it in the railway.
Yes.
Yeah, and there's a little, what is this? I mean, we have a machine shop. Okay, that's what it is.
Oh.
So it's a machine
So
shop.
those primitive
and
machines back then, back in 1900s.
1900s?
Yeah.
Are those actual tools? I can't tell.
Look like they're actual tools.
They look like they're just wooden.
Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
I think they're actual tools.
It was pretty cool. They even have a power line. Sorry, a timeline of the power of steam.
Wow.
And Burnaby was only incorporated in 1892. Even though the
1892, where is
steam
it?
engine has been developed back in 1712. Or
Oh
the
my
steam
goodness.
power, yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's interesting.
And right across the other side
We
is...
have Rudolph and everyone.
That's not Rudolph.
Oh
That's
no,
Rudolph.
sorry. That's one of the big reindeers.
Yeah, we were just there. There's
Yeah.
a cabin over there too. As usual, we can't go inside.
Yeah.
Cabin number 22. And I think we've
That's
pretty
it.
much seen the whole museum.
Wow. We've covered it all.
Alright, time to go home.
Yeah. That is all for this time, you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Big Z out.